Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you all of the outfits that I've made so far for Crochet Festival Season 2025. We have Coachella coming up and we have a bunch of other, a bunch of other events coming up that I'm so excited for. So these are the outfits that I would wear if I was going to these events, probably going to some of them. Definitely going to a lot of concerts and raves this summer, and I'm so excited about that. So let's get into it. And all of these items are made with cotton yarn, and they are all made with a 5.5 crochet millimeter hook. When I first started crochet, I just want to throw this out there, but when I first started crochet, the first thing I ever made was the top, so it's really full circle to show you guys these. Okay guys, so the first thing that I made, I actually was inspired by this top, and I made this with the inspiration that I had. So I do not know the original creator for this top, but I do know that I used a similar pattern to make this outfit. I don't want to take the credit and be like, this is 1000% my pattern, but I was inspired by this top. So if you guys do know the creator who made this top, please let me know. I would love to reach out to them and thank them for this amazing pattern. But I'm so good at crochet now that if I see something, I can instantly replicate it. I know exactly what has been done, exactly what stitches people used. So yeah, it's not an exact replication, but it is pretty amazing. Again, it's done in cotton yarn with a 5.5 crochet millimeter hook, all done in double crochet. Okay, so going off of that, I used a similar pattern to make this, and it was inspired. Obviously, the skirt, almost exactly the same as the orange one. The top isn't the same. It is a halter top that ties up in the top, done out of a traditional granny square style vibe, and then it ties of course in the back. I love this one. I am very obsessed with purple. I think that purple is going to be a major key player this year. I know it's going to be in my wardrobe everywhere this summer and for 2025. I'm very obsessed with purple and green currently at the moment. Also blue, pink, things of that nature. Warm tone colors to me they're not it this summer. They're kind of out, or neutrals. Neutrals are okay, but really into the bright colors this. Okay, next we have this outfit right here, and it is a red outfit. The skirt and the top are actually kind of different. I did them at different times, but I paired them together for this video because I really love the way that a top like this looks with a skirt like this. So you could either wear like a skirt and like a black mesh top. You don't have to do crochet on crochet. You could do like skirt crochet, or like you could do a top wearing jeans. You know, it could be there's so many looks that you could pull off with crochet. And I think that sustainability and fashion is moving more towards that made no sense. I think that fashion is moving more towards being sustainable. I think that more people should start buying from, I'm not saying buy from me, but I'm saying buy other smaller handmade items to wear to these events instead of Shein and Temu. Okay, moving right along. I was gonna put the yellow one after the red one, but I just don't want it to be like ketchup mustard vibes. So we're gonna go with this green one. I'm gonna show you this green one first. I didn't get that good of a video because I had my son with me and I was like trying to deal with him, but this one I think looks so good. It's bright lime green and it's stunning. Like, you'll rock it anywhere you go. I did make the skirt just plain, like a solid panel skirt. So if you wanted to, you could do like a solid panel skirt and add charms onto it, or you could do like a solid panel skirt like that and then do like some crazy cloud top. So where the skirt looks like grass and then it's like your top is the sky or the clouds. I don't know why, I just think that that's so cool. So yeah, and I like this one because you could stand out with just a color. Like, you don't have to be wearing an elaborate looking outfit, like especially if you're at Coachella or wherever. Okay, and I know my hair is looking whack. My hair is looking kind of whack. Whatever. Next outfit, yellow one. This yellow outfit is amazing. I did it like mesh type of pattern, you know, and I love it. I think it looks so cute. If I was to redo it again though, I would like do some things differently. Like, see this piece of hair? Sorry guys, I'm gonna have to deal with my crazy witchy hair. I would do some things again differently on this yellow one, but overall it looks great. This was also mentioned in another video that I did a while back, but 10 out of 10. Like, you can never look bad in yellow. I don't think a girl could ever look bad in yellow unless you have, like, don't take this the wrong way, but unless it's like blonde hair and then yellow. That doesn't, but all right, last but certainly not least, my favorite one, and we're going with this other purple one. So same skirt from the first purple outfit I did, just changed the top, and I made this top purple, blue, white, traditional granny square style. I know when I say traditional granny square, people are probably like, what that is not a traditional granny square. It is in the style of the granny square. You just make it in like a triangle granny square. So yeah, it looks pretty good. I love this one because I get compliments on this top. When I wear it out, I have gotten compliments on it before, and it looks amazing. Also, like, if you are into crochet, imagine the colorways. Oh, imagine how many different colorways. Endless. Possibilities, endless. You can make this in so many different colorways, and it would turn out so cute. So I have that one if you're looking. Also, just wanted to mention that purple skirt does have a drawstring on it as well, and then the back ties. Remember when I said in the beginning, everything is done with a 5.5 crochet hook and cotton yarn. Now, if you crochet with acrylic yarn or polyester blend yarn, there's nothing wrong with that. I just want to let you know. First of all, it's plastic. Second of all, cotton yarn and bamboo yarn, it doesn't do that peely thing. I know you know what I'm talking about. Where it like peels and it breaks off and it creates gross little fibers everywhere, and then when you wash it, it just looks like fuzzy and nasty and not right. That is because you are using acrylic polyester blend yarn, and you are not using cotton or bamboo yarn. Cotton and bamboo yarn, they will be your best friends. I made the switch and it was the best thing I ever did. All right guys, if you recreate any of these looks, please tag me. I would love to see what you guys have created, or if you guys are inspired based off of any of these looks, let me know. I want to mention that all of my clothing in this video is for sale on Depop. Not pressuring you guys to buy it, just saying if you want another option that looks cute that isn't from Temu or Shein, please buy handmade local products. It doesn't even have to be local to you, just go online, buy handmade products, please. It supports so many of us small business owners, and you are saving the planet. I promise you, you are saving the planet. Because Shein and Temu, it's not ethical, you guys. So look it up. Let me know what you guys think. I love you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye, guys.